Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Prashant. I'm the founder of Wordpandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos for you, specially created for you to help you crack the CAT code, help you with CAT VARC in particular, right? Now I'm going to talk about 3 mistakes that you should most definitely avoid in the final 40 days. That's going to be the agenda of this video. What is it that you should not be doing? One, do not avoid section tests and mocks. Stop doing this. Stop focusing on just one area, RC or VA. Don't do this. And stop ignoring diversity in reading or practice, right? So these are 3 things that you should not be doing, right? If you are ignoring diversity, if you're just focusing on one area, if you're avoiding section tests and mocks, 3 things that you should most definitely not do. Why is it that you should not do these? Thing number 1, avoiding section tests and mocks. What do we tell ourselves? We tell ourselves, I'm not ready. I will start next week. The next week never comes. Always remember this. The next week never comes. The next week is going to be the week after. Don't do this to yourself. We tell ourselves, I don't have time for analysis, so I won't take tests. Worst case scenario, even if you don't have time for analysis, at least take the test, learn whatever you can from the test itself. Do not give yourself these excuses, right? We give ourselves these excuses to avoid tests, to avoid low scores, bad scores. So we keep giving ourselves these excuses. We keep taking the easy way out. Please stop doing that. Take section tests, take mocks, take them regularly. Test yourself. With every test you are going to improve. Always remember this. Thing number 2, focusing on just one area, RC or VA, right? We think we can make do with either one. We think we can either just go in with RCs or VA. We don't need to practice the other. Remember, you cannot predict the exam. This is impossible to do. You don't know which section is going to be easy. RC might be easy this year. VA might be easy this year. We don't know which part of the section is going to be easy. So make sure you are ready for all eventualities. You practice both areas. Generally, a lot of us, we just emphasize on RC and reading and we skip out the VA portion. Please don't do that. 1 to 2 VA tests a day, 10 to 20 questions a day, para jumbles, misfit sentences, paragraph summary. Please keep doing it, right? Make sure you don't skip this. Third and last thing, we ignore diversity in reading and practice, right? Don't be satisfied with what we are doing. Don't be content with we keep reading similar content, resources. We might be reading one type of articles, one type of resource. We might be referring to one particular website. We might be happy. We might even feel happy that we are doing well. Don't do that. Challenge yourself in practice. Take up a few different mocks from a few different resources. You will learn different thinking processes. Different exam setters have different thinking processes. You will learn about these processes, right? So make sure you go outside your comfort zone and push yourself, challenge yourself, and experience different kinds of reading material and different types of tests. So make sure you do that, right? These are 3 things that you should be doing at this stage, 3 things that should be a part of your prep in the final 40 days. I hope these tips, small little tips, would help you refine your preparation. That's the intent behind this video. This is Prashant signing off, and as always, happy learning.